Meet Sarah. Sarah has a busy work life. Because she got distracted by a Zoom work call, she forgot to place her food order with a new restaurant that she wanted to test out. Luckily, the restaurant enabled the Autopilot feature, which reminds customers to finish placing the order through email and SMS. So Sarah is grateful for the reminder. The second time around, Sarah may receive a special deal from the restaurant, so that a one-time ordering experience turns into a beautiful friendship. But if Sarah's coming back home after a long trip, she may forget all about her new favorite restaurant. However, receiving another special deal may remind her how good the food was when she last ordered from them. Because out of sight is out of mind, right? So how can a restaurant remind customers to place their orders without spending money or turning into a full-time online marketing shop? In today's video, we'll show you how to increase restaurant sales without advertising with the help of Autopilot. The great part about Autopilot is that it features already done for you email and SMS marketing campaigns, which will be sent to the right target audience at exactly the right time in order to generate more orders each month. And best of all, you can enable this feature within mere minutes. Let's see how. Click on the Autopilot icon. You will then see the overview screen. Then you need to click Yes to the Do you want to activate Autopilot selling question. Click Next, and then confirm your activation by clicking on the Activate button. Now, you need to activate the desired campaigns. We recommend you enable all of the 3 different campaigns, since they each appeal to different customers with different buying behavior. Click on the Start button, then click on Start Campaign. And that's it. You can repeat these 2 steps for the Re-Engage Clients campaign, or you can tweak the campaign parameters according to your wishes. For instance, you can choose another promotion from the list for each of the messages presented on this screen. Click Save once more to save all your settings. To enable the Cart Abandonment campaign, simply click Start, followed by the Start Campaign buttons. That's it. Let's talk a bit about the benefits of enabling the Autopilot. Other than showing you how to increase restaurant sales incrementally each month, the Autopilot comes fully equipped and ready to go live almost right away. You won't have to create a new campaign from scratch. Plus, you can forget about paying the big bucks to have an external email marketing specialist do it for you. Simply enable the desired campaign within seconds and reap the benefits for as long as you want. It's important to mention that the Autopilot campaigns will get sent automatically to your customers entering specific target groups for as long as this feature is enabled. So sending out the notifications is not a one-time thing. Think of Autopilot as an ongoing marketing engine that keeps your foodies happy. We hope you enjoyed watching this video on how to increase restaurant sales with the help of Autopilot. Until next time.